Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be explaining about tube extrusion process. In tube extrusion process, we produce hollow object like pipe fittings, etc. Tube extrusion process can be done in forward extrusion or backward extrusion. Let's understand this in detail. So, tube extrusion is a manufacturing process that creates hollow cylindrical products with a fixed cross-sectional profile. It is commonly used for various materials including plastics, metals and ceramics, but our discussion is about metals. The molten material is forced through a specially designed die, which is essentially a metal disc with a circular opening and a mandrel. The mandrel is nothing but like a cylindrical rod in the center. So this is forward extrusion process and this is backward extrusion process. In earlier videos, I have discussed about forward extrusion process and backward extrusion process. Both video links are given in description. You can watch them before this video. So in this forward extrusion process, we are creating hollow type product or like pipe type product. So this is cylinder which is closed vessel but opened on both sides. Like in forward extrusion process, this is ram, this is metal billet, likely heated metal billet, and this is die, and die has fixed opening which shape we want to create. But here is a little element has been added. The element is mandrel. This is mandrel. Mandrel is like circular rod. The mandrel is helping to produce tube type product or pipe fittings product or like this type product. So how it works, how the mandrel creating the hollow product. When we are forcing the ram, the force is applied on the heated metal billet. The metal billet is trying to coming out through this opening of the die. So when the product is getting produced, the metal is getting out through the die opening. The mandrel is also coming out through the middle opening of the die and hollow product is getting produced. So this is forward extrusion process and we are creating hollow type product or pipe fittings or creating tube extrusion. So how the tube extrusion is done in backward extrusion process. So this is backward extrusion process or indirect extrusion process. This is cylinder or closed vessel, but this is open only on one side, not in both side. This is ram. The ram is special type. This is ram and this is die. In die is the cylindrical in shape. So the internal diameter of the hollow product will be same as the diameter of the die. The cross section of the die is circular. This is heated metal billet. When we are forcing the ram towards left to right, the die is also going with the ram and it is creating force on the heated metal billet, and heated metal billet is coming out through this opening. But the metal billet is only coming through the circumference of the die and the hollow product is getting produced. So we are creating hollow product in backward extrusion like this. The die shapes the material into a tube with the mandrel determining the inner diameter. So in forward extrusion, the diameter of the mandrel is like same the internal diameter of the hollow product and the external diameter is same as the internal diameter of the die. So what are the applications of tube extrusion? Multiple applications can be seen in manufacturing process of tube extrusion process. In automotive industry, fuel lines, exhaust system, structural components, etc. are created using tube extrusion process. In construction, piping, structural supports, conduits, etc. are created using tube extrusion process. In medical, catheters, tubing for medical devices, prosthetics, etc. are produced using tube extrusion process. In consumer goods, different consumer goods like sports equipment, furniture, household items, etc. are produced using tube extrusion process. So if there is not any type of method which can produce hollow product or tube type product, then we can create the pipe. And if we can create the pipe or hollow type product, then what will happen? You know the answer very well. So in this video, I have discussed about tube extrusion process, the working principle of tube extrusion process, and the applications of tube extrusion process. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. For more updates, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon.